Good morning. Welcome to another vlog. I hope you like my towels. Today we need to go to Belgrade to carry the MacBooks so they can repair the machine. Parts are all in, so I went, I think it's not a week, last Wednesday we had to Belgrade so they can check if really the keyboard is not working, which was really not hard to demonstrate. I have a footage, it will be on the new MacBooks review, so that's that. So I'm going to head to work, then with my boss we are going to go to Belgrade to give the machines for them to check out, and that's about it. So
Hello.
So, gonna do some montage. Here it goes. Okay.
Oh, give him my bits.
Okay, so we drop off the MacBook into the service and they are going to fix it, hopefully. So, as I was saying, take two. As I was saying, they're gonna try to fix it today. It is recording. They're gonna try to fix it today, but they're not promising anything because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So we have 4 hours to kill. What we're gonna do?
Eat, drink coffee, work.
Sounds good. Okay. Now we're gonna eat. Okay. Here's the idea. Time lapse. finished. Alright, we finished with lunch. Now the bathroom break. And then work or coffee. We'll see about that. Okay, so now it's a coffee break. Wanna be in it? Beautiful espresso. Gonna do some work?
Yeah, a bit later. Let's
Okay.
get coffee.
Okay. See ya. Alright, so we did some work. Oh, we did a lot of good work, dudes. But look at this view. It's amazing. It's very good. Oh, I found another one. Alright, back inside to work more and have fun. But we'll see, maybe they're not going to fix it today, then we'll need to get back here tomorrow. Yep, so that's it. I'm gonna keep you updated and see you in the next bit. Not the best lighting, but the update on the MacBook is that they're not able to fix it today, so we are maybe going to traffic. As I was saying, they didn't manage to repair the laptop today, so we are probably going to come back tomorrow, so the vlog is not going to end today. Are we going to get back tomorrow?
Probably.
Okay.
Depends on when they tell us it's fixed.
Okay, so that's that. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's so echoey. Welcome back to day 2 of a road trip trying to repair the MacBook. They repaired it yesterday, but they didn't manage to make sure it is correct and everything is okay with it. So they need to do some testing and and that's about it. So we're gonna head to Belgrade and yep. Okay, so change of plans. Now Milan is driving me because the boss is busy and they said the laptop is done, so we're gonna go and pick it up and that's about it. Yep. Alright, so we arrived. Now we're gonna go to the store and pick up the laptop. We finished with a service. I got the laptop. Let me take it out. I'm not prepared. It's finally back. Now I can start working. And they left the stickers, so it's brand new. Hopefully they fix the issue, and hopefully that will never going to come back. And that's about it. We're now drinking coffee. Okay, drinking coffee, and we're gonna get back to Novi Sad, and that's about it. Oh, we finally arrived. Oh. Heading home. I want to work on the side project. See ya in the next bit. All right. I did a lot of work around the project. Look at my bow. Look at my bow. Look at my bow. Did a lot of work around that project, and it's around 8 o'clock. So today's vlog is not going to be Thursday's vlog is not going to be up today. Oh my god, I'm so fucking, I don't know, maybe I'm tired. Let me tell you a quick story. Let me put the phone somewhere. Okay, so I told my boss that was the boss that I went to replace the computer, you know. I told him about my idea. He was, I don't know, I didn't really read his thoughts and what he think, but he gave me an idea what should I include into the project, which will be super duper, which will be super helpful for people, and it will be a next level, that took a next level on the project. So I added that, and he was totally right, and that was brilliant idea. I said him a couple of times, and that's that. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some value, and I hope I entertained you. Have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe, like it if you like it, subscribe if you loved it, and subscribe for more content like this. And I'm bouncing off because of my couch. So that's it. Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys. Have a nice days. Enjoy your life, because you never know when it's gonna end.